Welcome back to DigiHacks with Polly. In today's video, we will explore the incredible world of Photoshop Generative Fill and discover its 10 unique uses. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your photos in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. So do you want to gain and you don't want to go to the gym? Then select the part of the body that you want to gain. Then click Generative Fill and then write bodybuilder and then it will generate. Here are the pictures. You can come here and select the one that you like. The last one is just perfect. You can see the abs without any gym pain. Yeah, just like that, you have your dream body, right? Another one you can generate here if you bald. Just select the laser tool and highlight the bald part and make sure that you have given the selection a bit of space for the generative fill. Okay, then write the type of the hairstyle that you want. For example, we will write, say, white hairstyle and we generate. Okay, you can choose from these generated images, and I think this one is just perfect for our grandpa. Yeah, and another use is you can replace any object in your image. For example, let's replace this man carrying this lady and we just highlight the man and then click Generative Fill. Write what you want to replace him with. For example, let's write a kangaroo and then you click generate. And here is our new guy. We have a kangaroo carrying the lady. You can choose the perfect image from the variation, or if they don't please you, you can just generate again. Okay? Then another one is you can change your entire outfit. You just highlight the part you want to change your outfit. Click Generative Fill, write what outfit you want. For example, we will write a suit and then generate. And here is our perfect new outfit. Choose the one that you want from the variation. So if you don't like a certain outfit in any of your photo, you just have a Generative Fill to sort you out. Okay, easy. Another use is infinite zoom. You can zoom your photo to the maximum. For example, let's try to zoom this photo here. You just come here, select the crop tool, then Ctrl A to select the entire image. Then you can take the marquee tool, you press Alt in Windows to subtract the image from the selection. And make sure you leave a small space in the margin to give the Generative Fill a space to compare from. Okay? And then just click generate. You see, we've expanded the image. So to zoom again, just repeat the same process and you can zoom your images to the fullest. Here is the more zoomed image. Okay, another use is removing objects in your shot. For example, let's remove this water bottle and this gym buds here. You just select the image that you want to remove, then click Generative Fill and generate without writing anything. Your object will be gone just like that. Okay? Another use is editing sky in your photos. For example, you've taken a perfect photo, but you feel like the sky is very flat. So you click Select, then you click Sky, and it will select the sky only. Then write the type of the sky that you want in the Generative Fill. For example, you can write something like, say, sunset, then click Generate. You can see it has generated a very perfect sunset for you, but it has damaged our characters in the photo. So what you do here is you can now use your Photoshop skill to brush your characters from the Generative Fill mask by selecting the brush tool and brushing the characters out of the mask. Okay? And here you have your perfect image without the damaged characters. Okay? Another use is you can change the jewel that you've taken your photo with. Okay? You just highlight the jewel itself. Then click Generative Fill, write the jewel that you want, then you click Generate. You can see we have a variety of jewels that you can choose from, and you just choose the perfect one for you. Okay? No more cheap or unattractive jewels in your photos. Generative Fill got you. Okay. Then our last but not the least is text image. For example, if you want any image, you just have to write a prompt here in the Generative Fill box. But let's say you don't have an idea of which image that you want. You just come to ChatGPT and prompt it to create a random creative image for you, and it will just do that. Okay? You just copy the prompt and paste it in the Generative Fill box and then click generate. And there you have your images. If you don't like them, you just click generate and it will generate variant of other images. Okay? And there you have it, folks. These were just a few of the incredible uses of Photoshop Generative Fill. So say goodbye to limitations and hello, the endless of creative possibilities. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends to help us reach more people. Stay tuned for more captivating content about AI technology. Thank you for watching, and until next time, goodbye.